the Game Boy.
On the beat.
Hello, yes dear, please excuse me. Oh, please, how are you? Madam, sorry. Are you a nurse?
What do you think I'm wearing?
Oh, sorry. I know you are wearing a nurse uniform. Please, sorry. I'm a daughter. And where?
You are what?
Yeah, a daughter.
Okay. You are a doctor.
Yeah, daughter.
This guy, you're very funny.
Please, I'm going to work. Where do you work?
Endpoint homeopathic clinic.
Oh, Endpoint homeopathic clinic.
What?
Endpoint homeopathic clinic.
Endpoint homeopathic clinic.
Endpoint homeopathic clinic. Oh, I worked there for so many years.
You work what?
I worked there for so many years.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
So you work at Endpoint?
Yeah, I'm there. Endpoint homeopathic clinic. I worked there for so 10 years.
Really?
Yes, I'm a doctor there.
Okay.
I worked there for so 10 years.
For so 10 to
Yes.
Okay, alright.
Have you seen me before?
No, please.
So, where? What is your department? What do you do at Endpoint?
What work do I do at
Yeah.
Endpoint? It's what do you do there? What departments are you? What do you do there?
My department, please. My department.
Yes.
My department. Pacho? Who department is here?
What do I do there?
Yeah.
You're a doctor, right? Department. Your work there. Don't ask me.
Yeah, my work there. Pacho, the department.
Okay, listen. Okay, fine. I'm a midwife.
You are midwife. I'm a midwife too.
You are what?
I'm a midwife too.
What's wrong with you?
Yeah, I'm midwife too.
You're a midwife.
Yeah.
I've not met you there before. I don't know you.
But I'm a doctor.
A doctor?
You have to respect. I'm a doctor.
Your shoe?
Yes.
It's not clean.
Yeah.
It looks nasty.
No.
Look at the mouth. It's spoiled. It's not.
Please don't insult me. I'm a professional doctor. I have a degree from UK.
With this thing, you call yourself a doctor.
Yes.
Who even gave you this?
You, the whole Endpoint will perfect.
Oh, okay. All right, that's nice. Then I think when I go, I have to report to one of the doctors there, the head doctor, that your uniform is not that good. It doesn't look good on you. So
Madam, I say I can name a choice me a doctor or Uber report me. I the bonny ben my and I'm a Uber me my will be panel. Madam, you're all yet. You're the bar me repair. Who next body be a come as him.
Thank you.
So I have sent my degree to UK and SS department. In charge. Madam, you say, you know, you should not call you. Now, office winning no other. The office one.
Your office? I've not met you there before. I don't know you.
You know me. Try to know me because I'm an Endpoint homeopathic clinic there. Madam, try to know me.
Dr. Patrick?
Yeah, Dr. Patrick. You can ask Dr. When he you can just.
Okay, so you two, what department are you, doctor?
Midwife department.
Midwife department.
Yeah.
Still, you're a midwife?
Yeah, I'm a midwife, but I have the 3, of course, department, NSS degrees.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, who knows you there apart from me that I don't know you?
Dr. Akrugu.
Dr. Akrugu.
Yeah.
No. You don't have anyone there for you.
Oh, the one in charge of the medicine side in Cali Medicine and Saint.
At the pharmacy?
Yeah, pharmacy. Yeah, pharmacy.
Okay. Then let me tell you something. Those are the pharmacy, there are only 3.
Okay.
Miss Jenna, Mr. Mensa, and then Mr. Jones or whatever.
Mr. Mensa. Mr. Mensa, I'm talking about Mr. Mensa. Sorry, madam.
So you know Mr. Mensa?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So Mr. Mensa knows you there, right?
He
You also know Mr. Mensa.
Yeah.
Okay, then so far as you working there, I think I have to someone to confirm.
Confirm.
Someone knows.
Confirm. You didn't come area, Kura.
Okay.
I've been here working for 10 years.
Okay. Hello, Rosen. Yeah, what's up? I've met this man. It is black shoes. He looks nasty, red shirt, good for nothing looking man in the khaki. And then I don't know. He said he's called Dr. Patrick. Yeah, do you know him?
Don't insult me.
Okay, alright. Okay.
Don't insult me.
Don't follow me. Why are you going to?
I'm not going to.
Okay.
The thing is like I'm from UK and I have my course NSS degree and archaeology degree. And did they tell you say I have no master who young who department. They are no office.
I've been working there for the past 5 years.
5 years.
And I don't know you.
And I don't know.
Listen, you said you've been working there for 10 years, right? Yeah. So if it's for 10 years, let's say the first 5 years I wasn't there. Yeah. And then for the past, I think this month I'll be working there for I think 5 years, yes. So for this 5 years, I've not met anyone like you there.
Man, it's me.
Excuse me, madam.
Okay, I was supposed to go and check up on something here. And then this irritating and disgusting, nasty man stopped me here and called himself a doctor. He works at our place.
Endpoint. Don't insult me.
I'm not insulting you.
Is he a doctor or?
Hey,
that's what he claims.
Let's say young man, you need to comport yourself.
Hey, maybe
Doctor
I'm a gentle. You want a man, a gentle, yes, no, only we the and it's about the two. I see. Cassette, blah, also your doctor.
That's right, Dr. Patrick. I'm working for homeopathic clinic.
Endpoint.
You are a doctor and you were a bosque or
Massa, or shut and I can't myself.
Massa, you come shut to myself. When we knew what you
want a penny, you
are a doctor.
Yeah, I'm a doctor.
And you look at you.
Show the bread. Me a doctor, so who the bread? Oh, tell me, I'm a doctor.
Massa, maybe from the debate to me.
Oh, Massa, come on.
Will you shut up? What's wrong with you?
It's me bow. Who goes school and I saw your doctor?
That's all. You go school in UK. Now, the classmate. Madam, they tell you, like, if you see a senior doctor, you have to respect the senior doctor. Because
sorry, senior doctor.
Yeah. If I have different branch and you have different branch, it's even we are in the building and the professional and the
oh, bro, Franca sounds so crazy.
That's what you're Dr. Bianet, bro. Dr. Bianet. And
I can't in this Saturday, we say, who goes school as I a doctor and I saw your doctor.
Do you know something? Hold on, let me call this inspector. He doesn't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, hello, Inspector. Yeah, please, I would like you to meet me at my office. Like 5 minutes. I'm going to check up on something. I've met my co-worker. He's also a doctor. And then we discussed about 1 or 2 issues. I don't really understand, so I want you to meet us at the office so that we talk about it. Yeah, he's here with me. He's called Dr. Patrick. Yeah. He also works there. Yeah. All right, thank you. Meet you here.
Just some
Mammy chose it. It's a doctor. We are. So, hey, I will stretch this boy, hand to house. This boy. Apache will let him boyfriend. Oh, Massa, Frocoto.
I become going with your
I see one on you. So, your name. Billies. There you are my classmates. Hey, Billies. I'm a classmate. You're welcome. You go meet, okay?
Alright.
Let's just a moment. I'm the endpoint to Patrick. Me say, gentle.
Yeah.
Sir, endpoint as same year yekin. So you'll be a we are stroke. Okwa. The best summer. Wow, to us a kitchen. The best summer. One more nice walk. Oh, mess now. Wow, that's now. Would you know what? Oh, Sasa, Yalia. Oh, actually, normally, endpoint. The old way, you know. Me ka se ma kwa cho. One ka obi wu. Ko kitchen now de nam. Eti o de no ye heba doctor na se. Mo na mo ye adutu mo. Na e beto dan so e.
Yeah, we are better than.
Wa. Wow, Dr. Patrick.
You are welcome.
This guy is not a doctor.
What kind of crap? Masa.
Wait, fake.
Yeah, fake Patrick. Fake. What you fake? That wapon.
Yeah, fake. Yeah, I know fake.
You never need of fake.
Yeah, fake is something like. Fake is something like if you send food to someone, it's a fake.
Okay.
Adam, can you have?
Wow.
You're not serious.
Hey, see me, my main chain. You come up. Ma, who come me, my you go what the penny upon you. Who come me, my na gentleman me I say I deal with who pa Ghana I will see a penny pa go for the hospital be didi akwai onye adwuma won endpoint ba bia Dr. Patrick wan no oboanya no eti madam yanko na nka kosan na se ne be ya ma why
Okay, you want to take her home?
yeah
Today is Thursday. Oh, sorry. I wanted to go and see someone, but then you no problem. Let's go. Okay.
Thank you. This, are you a nurse? Yeah. Oh, sorry. I know you are wearing a nurse uniform. Please. Sorry, but you.
Okay, for me, I'm a midwife.
Oh, midwife. I was a midwife. I was a midwife. Yeah, a midwife. I went there for 10 years.
Stand here. You also work?
I'm midwife.
it's very now for you never see you say so mudi me enko
Oyaa, Suro, Oyaa, Tvgh. Like, subscribe, share, and comment.